Hello! So, today we are going to paint sharks, and here is the painting brush, not a toothbrush, okay? So here are the paints, red, yellow, and blue. So first we are going to paint with red. And when I was painting, it's so fun. Painting is really fun, and painting sharks is really fun. And when I was painting the sharks, I remembered the song Baby Shark. And the song Baby Shark, or you can say the rhyme Baby Shark, is really fun, right? I also love the song, or rhyme you can say, sorry. So, if you like the video, please like, comment, and share also. And if you're new at my channel, please subscribe my channel if you like it, okay? And here, my red shark is all done. So now let's paint the second one with the color yellow. And we all know that yellow color is the main color of baby sharks. So it's really fun. So if you don't know how to draw sharks, but you want to draw, please check out my channel Kids Drawing BD to know how to draw baby sharks with an easy way. And here we are almost done. And ta-da! We are all done. Yay! So now let's paint the water drops. Okay, it's all done. I am really tired. So now I'm writing shark. First I am writing it with pencil, then I'll write it with marker. I'm writing it very lightly so you can see. Sorry. So now I'm writing it with marker. So here, I was trying to make something nicely. I wanted to do some designs in the alphabet, but I did a mistake, so I didn't do any designs. But if you want, you can design in the alphabet. It will make it very nice. So here my shark writing is all done. And now let's paint the ocean, the waters. So here I'm using sky blue and also the Persian blue to make some shades in the waters. So while I'm painting the ocean, please subscribe my channel. Please. Videos about how to draw T-Rex, dinosaurs, fruits, flowers, cars. So to know how to draw, like how to draw T-Rex, dinosaur, flower, car, fruits, please check out my channel and please like, comment, share and also subscribe my channel, please. Oh yeah, there are also our Instagram page, so please follow our Instagram page, Kids Drawing BD, please. So here our ocean painting is all done, but there are some drops of sky blue painting are fall into the sharks, so I am trying to erase them with white color. So if you like it, please like, comment, share, and subscribe also. And Tantana, our sharks is all done. So hope you like it. And if you like it, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. So today I'm ending it here. So thanks for watching. Assalamu Alaikum. Bye.